Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to make delicious vegan granola bars. These wholesome treats are perfect for a quick snack or a healthy breakfast on the go. We'll start by gathering our core ingredients, focusing on a base of rolled oats, nuts, and seeds. Then, we'll create a sticky binder using creamy nut butter and a natural liquid sweetener like maple syrup or agave nectar. This combination ensures your bars hold together beautifully and taste fantastic. Once you have your ingredients ready, it's time to mix. First, combine all your dry components like oats, nuts, and seeds in a large bowl. Then, pour in your warm, wet binder of nut butter and sweetener. Stir everything together until every single oat and nut is thoroughly coated and sticky. This is also the perfect moment to add your favorite flavor boosters, such as dried cranberries, dark chocolate chips, or a dash of cinnamon for extra warmth. Now for the crucial step of setting your bars. Transfer the sticky mixture into a parchment-lined baking pan. The key here is to press it down incredibly firmly and evenly. You can use the back of a spoon, another piece of parchment paper, or even a flat-bottomed glass to really compact it. For baked bars, cook at a low temperature, around 300 degrees Fahrenheit, for 20 to 30 minutes. Alternatively, for no-bake versions, simply chill them in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. The final steps are all about patience and proper storage. It's absolutely essential to let your granola bar slab cool completely, whether baked or chilled, before you even think about cutting it. Once fully firm, carefully lift the entire slab out of the pan using the parchment paper. Then, using a sharp knife, cut it into your desired size, typically 12 to 16 individual bars. Store these delicious, homemade vegan granola bars in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 1 week, or refrigerate for longer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.